two, one, go.
I'm sorry for the delayed power hour. Mike V, Friday. Stairs up, elevator down. Let me change screens. There's the put call that just came across here on Jesus feed. Still not even close. The VIX, let me get to in a second. I'm sure the coach uh, broached it or expanded upon it through the videos. Listen, it's orderly, which is a problem. And things are broken. Again, some of them, or continue to be, which again is a problem. Let's go to the right to the page. Good communicating, everybody. Thank you. MLGO is the stock of the day. Listen, if this late in the Friday on Power Hour at 3 o'clock, I would implore everybody, if you didn't get what's going on now, you go to our the red YouTube icon and go to our YouTube channel, and you can get an idea right here of what we do going across the board. Thank you for everybody, Coach, giving videos at 9:30. Me again, Power Hour. Starting next week, I'll give them before 9:30 Eastern, pre-market. Tony Pistachio, pre-market videos. Hold on. All right, so let's take a look at the VIX as we come into the close. Mondays have been weak as well. Okay, so we'll get right here. Listen, options, nobody's stepping up. Let me just get that out there. I don't see anybody stepping up, and you're seeing some dogs. NVAX is up. They're buying GME. Okay, here's a chart on the VIX. Now, the problem here is, as we come up to some, if you will, some resistance, this is the VIX Daily, the instrument that I trade. There's the 50-day. And for me, that's the line in the sand, at least for some sort of swing trading or medium trading. But, if things get a little bit dicey, and Mondays haven't been that usual, that, it's been Trump's, it's been tariffs, earnings, and Powell, those three. And I can't, outside of any major exogenous event, God forbid, we're talking war or something. It's been those three rotating. So listen, if if the VIX goes up to 47, which if it keeps going, obviously at this level, which it could, don't get me wrong, we'll go to indices and some stocks. The move will be even then there will be, it may not be as orderly. And let me just give you an example right here to go to my feed, one of my news feeds, the generic one, okay? Where is it? It said something to do with Kramer. Here it is. Somebody's quoting Kramer. The exaggerated selling and buying today indicates that some are desperate to get their orders filled at any price. Now, let's give something right here. I'm long it, not much of it, but this is the type of market where these small positions can turn into big losers. Look at this thing, Globe. Okay. 4 days. Let's go to a weekly. Good company. Okay. Where was this right here? Right here, 44. This came back almost 2 years. Where was it? The last time it was 45 was here, August of 2020. Yeah, year and a half. Globe. Boom. It's TTD. That's a weekly chart. There's Globe. TTD, same thing. Eat. Now, these stocks, a month ago, if you will, that were reporting these blowout numbers and gapped up precipitously, like an Eat, have been a sell the news situation. Hood, gap up, huge, blow off top. But the stocks have been reporting poorly, have been going down and staying down, hence a GLB, hence a TTD. You know what I mean? There have been very few reversals with the VIX at this low. So the stocks have been popping, hence maybe some commodities or gold, if you will. Even the golds are doing that today. CCG, I punted it. This is a big boy trade. I'm embarrassed. It's not the money I would have made in it because it's not, it's. I'm not kidding. I'm embarrassed. Think the fact that I did okay this week, or else I'd often write some freaking explanations. XYZ, the old square. There you go. Looked great the other week. Over. Sweet green. Balls, everything you wanted. Boom. Salads. What is this? Middle of February? 44, cut in half. In half. Grows. One day. You creep up, you creep. That's why I do what I do sometimes. Boom. Get back whatever. Hymns, that's self-explanatory. Baba. Wasn't for the Chinese, if it wasn't for Bob, listen, if it wasn't for Bob and some Chinese stocks, the market would be a little bit less bullish. I mean, you, is okay. I got a mark in this thing. All right, I'm not getting annihilated. It's always a place to run. That's why at the market, I think it's a little bit bearish because there's always a place to run. What is this? The VIX breaking high. Okay, here's the page. Let's go to the page. It's all fun until Mike Tyson. I posted the Mike Tyson quote. CMG, General Motors. Now it's over. Flip that chart upside down. Buying General Motors, I'd be saying, maybe they're better trades. Might be more emblematic of the market. SFM. Look at this one, okay? You know what I said this was going to do today? I know, I get it. It hurt. This is the same exact thing that happened in A&F. Almost the same chart, the same symbols in it, triple, but you know what I mean. Almost the same thing. This is SFM here. I wish I could cut this off. Different sector. That's it, right? Trust me. It's going to pull an A&F. It's over. VIX ripping into the close. Got an issue here. Oh, God. Uber. Disney. Looked like it was going to hold. It was trying to hold Disney. Now it's back at the gapper. It was trying. Toll Brothers. No, just these other ones are what it kept going up. Flagging kept going up. With Toll Brothers, same thing. Flip this other one to be buying it. This is what APP was doing. It had a gap up and it kept going up and up. Toll Brothers. I'm not the best shorter anymore. Let's see if I'm not the best belong buyer anymore. Listen, again, bearish in the broad sense, but bullish maybe in the individual sector. Johnny John, $5 million call buyer. How you doing today? You're doing okay. That was yesterday. Posted TradeGATEHub. Go look at the red YouTube channel. Not in it. Too easy. So why don't I go buying something like an Abbott Labs? Ripping to new highs. It's a bull market somewhere. Abbott Labs, what it take? Oh, Lord, I'm out of breath. Got too many windows open. What's going on here? Where is everybody? Dwayne Collins, where are you? I usually hear from you on Friday. Everybody, all right, everybody's got a plan until they get punched in the face. That's fine, though. We'll lead by example. Oh, boy, help me. Okay. Globe, I'm in that. Look at the long globe. Bounced huge. Not really huge. When I talk huge. HIMS, CVS, UNH. You know what? This might be the weekend. I've been trying to stay away from macro situations, if I may say so. Actually, let me pull up the bigger chart so you can look at quotes at least while I pontificate. You notice UNH, which actually I can't even believe it bounced off the low like that. Maybe bigger than a bigger story than the market. I said I was going to stay away from. I'm curious to why UPS is down here, things like that. But this UNH, I mean, APLD opened up two Chinese stocks. I don't know what I would do. This is what I always would say. If I didn't have anything, what would I do now? I'm not sure it would be much. VKTX, I had that. I don't. Dollar General breaking high. Want a mean reversion trade? That's it right there. Fizzler. Fizzler tipped the hand of the Solars. I said yesterday too. I said the behemoth like that can't wrap when SEDG, the dog of them all, rallied from 13 to 23 back down. And I'm saying my same same thing with the CCJ situation. All the other ones were going up, and this Fizzler, it's like the big daddy. It's like the Goldman of solar. Couldn't muster anything. Now it's really in big trouble. There's the weekly on Fizzler. The way the market's going, I wouldn't be surprised if it does one of these, break of the 200 weekly, and then one of these proverbial retests. Have any questions for the family here? I'm gonna let it go. I'll be in the room. I gotta rearrange some things. All right, cheers. Thanks to the team. Angel, thanks for pitching.